In this video, we're going to break down the 5 most useful recruiting tools for small business owners in 2025, what they actually do, when to use which, and exactly how to get results without wasting time or money. Hey, it's Erin from Startup Wise. If you've ever posted a job and felt buried in resumes, or maybe you've thought about hiring overseas but didn't know exactly where to start, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's go tool by tool and I'll show you what works, what doesn't, and how to pick the right ones for your business. Number 1, LinkedIn Recruiter Lite, direct outreach. All right, let's start with the obvious one, LinkedIn. Now, the free version is fine for networking, but when hiring, LinkedIn Recruiter Lite is a whole different ballgame. Instead of posting a job and hoping people apply, this tool lets you go out and find the exact people you want. Think of it like online dating, but for talent. You search, filter, and send messages directly to them. It's best if you need a specialist, say a software engineer with a very specific skill set. Job boards probably won't cut it. LinkedIn is where you'll actually find them, and here's how it works. Number 1, define the role clearly, job title, skills, and location. Number 2, use LinkedIn's Boolean search to get really specific on what you're looking for. Number 3, save your search so new candidates pop up automatically. Number 4, reach out with a short personal message and don't make it too long, definitely not a novel. Number 5, follow up at least twice if they do not respond. And a pro tip, mention something unique from their profile so it doesn't feel like a spam message to everyone. And always send messages in their morning, not yours. Timing always matters. If you get this right, 30 targeted messages can realistically turn into one hire. If you get it wrong, you'll just look like a spammer. Number 2 is Indeed high volume. Now let's talk about speed. Sometimes you don't need a unicorn, you really just need someone solid and fast, and that's where Indeed shines. Think of Indeed as the big box store of hiring. It's the world's largest job board, and for roles like customer service, administrative assistants, or warehouse staff, it delivers that volume. Here's the key: don't get cute with job titles, call it what people are searching for. So instead of customer happiness ninja, just write customer support specialist. Clear titles will convert to more clicks. How to make it work. Number 1, write a simple scannable job description. Bullets are going to be your friend. Number 2 is to add knockout questions like, do you have 2 or more years in customer service? Number 3, use auto screening so you're not reading every single resume. Number 4, refresh your posting weekly so it stays at the very top. And number 5, respond quickly because the best candidates get hired fast. Pitfall is posting too broadly. If you just write marketing role, you'll drown in very irrelevant resumes. Be specific. When you use Indeed right, you'll have 100 plus applicants in a few days, and you can usually make a hire within a week or 2. Number 3, BambooHR, your first real system. Okay, let's move on to something every founder eventually runs into: the chaos of spreadsheets and email chains. That's where BambooHR comes in. It's like your starter kit for building a real hiring system. Instead of resumes living in your inbox, you get one clean dashboard where everything lives. Here's what it does: tracks candidates through stages, applied, to phone screen, to interview, to offer. It lets you post jobs to multiple boards at once, automates the boring stuff like thank you emails and rejection notes, lets you use e-signatures for offers, so no more printing contracts. The best part, interview scorecards. You create a set of questions, everyone asks the same ones, and you score consistently. So no more, I just have a good feeling about this person. It keeps you objective. Pro tip, don't overcomplicate it. Keep your process 5 to 7 steps max. Any more than that and you'll lose good people along the way. Think of BambooHR as the bridge between scrappy and being professional. It saves you from that moment where you're like, wait, did I email that candidate back? Number 4, Workable, leveling up. Now, if BambooHR is like training wheels, Workable is definitely the next level. It's for businesses that are hiring more regularly. Let's say 5 to 50 people Workable a year. It's an ATS, so an applicant tracking system, but with more horsepower. Here's why founders love it. You can launch a branded careers page that actually looks good. It posts jobs to multiple boards, free and paid at the same time. The Chrome extension lets you scoop candidates right from LinkedIn, and it has video interviews built in. The collaboration features are what make it special. Hiring isn't just your decision, it's usually you plus a manager, plus maybe a co-founder. Workable lets everyone leave notes, scores, and feedback in one place so you're not placing things together over Slack threads. Pro tip, ask candidates for a short 1-minute video introduction. You'd be surprised how much you can tell about communication skills from that alone. Workable is all about scale. If you're at the stage where you're hiring across different departments and need a system everyone can use, this is the one. Number 5, Paired. It's hands-on overseas recruiting. And now let's talk about the tool that honestly feels like a cheat code, Paired. Hiring overseas used to be scary. You'd think, how do I know if they're legit? How do I pay them? What about time zones? But Paired takes all of that off of your plate. Here's how it works. Number 1, you hop on a quick discovery call. Number 2, you tell them exactly what role you need and what success looks like. Number 3, their recruiters go into global talent pools, Latin America, EMEA, Asia, and hand-pick candidates. Number 4, instead of 200 resumes, you get 2 to 3 finalists. Number 5, you interview, decide, and Paired supports onboarding. The benefits are huge. Speed, they deliver candidates in 1 to 2 weeks. Savings, many businesses save 50 to 80% on payroll. Quality, they only bring you A players, and unlike job boards where you're buried in resumes, Paired is all about that precision. They don't just fill a role, they find rock stars that can transform your business. If you've been thinking about hiring globally but don't know where to start, Paired makes it almost too easy. You can check them out here at www.paired.so/startupwise. Comparison at a glance. So here's the quick rundown. Exact person in mind? LinkedIn Recruiter Lite. Need a ton of applicants fast? Indeed. Tired of hiring chaos? BambooHR. Hiring across multiple roles and departments? Go to Workable. Want global A players without the headache? Paired. Let me wrap this up with a simple framework you can actually use tomorrow. Number 1, start with outcomes, not tasks. Instead of I need a VA, think I need someone to handle scheduling, email, and reporting. Number 2, pick your tool based on the role. Don't use LinkedIn for a receptionist job, and don't use Indeed for a specialized engineer. Number 3, structure your hiring stages, 5 to 7 max. Number 4, automate comms and scheduling. It saves you hours. Number 5, interview consistently. Use the same questions for every single candidate. Number 6 is decide fast within 48 hours of the last interview because speed matters. Number 7, onboard with a 30, 60, 90 plan so your new hires knows exactly how to succeed. Check them out here, www.paired.so/startupwise. Thanks for hanging out with me today. All the links are down below and some may be affiliate links. That means I might earn a commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel and lets me keep creating guides like this. This is Erin from StartupWise, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is Erin from StartupWise, and I'll see you in the next one.